Okay. Now, we have some basic commands, right. Even in examination they will ask you like that, explain the following command. What? Echo, one echo, second printf, ls, who did, any 5 they will give, 2 into 5 marks, 10 marks. You have internal. So, already I have informed that internal marks like total your 50 marks, we are going to 25 for your IA, 2 IA, right, average of both, and remaining 10 marks for your assignment, 15 marks for the 10 marks, okay, I have written there 25, 10 marks for assignment and remaining 35, 15 marks. 15 marks what we will do, will give you the project based assignment. In syllabus also you can see that project based learning is there, right. So, based on whatever you learn using some API system call, you have to build some project. Otherwise, I have to give you the written assignment. If you are ready with that, okay. So, make 4 in a batch, I think we can't go with the 2 each. So, 4 in a batch, you do that, 15 marks easily you will get it, right, but you have to complete the task. For that report everything will be there. 10 marks I think might be you would have received for the one online course on Linux. Have you received? No? Okay, I will just check it out. There is one course on Infosys Springboard, that is more than 30 hours you have to complete. So, that will be considered for the as a assignment 10 marks. Okay. So, that is the your marks distributed. So, in examination because 25 we can't give 5. So, might be it will be I think 5 marks, right, 5 into 5, 5 question, 5 marks each. So, 5 marks question will be there, 1 marks each. So, when you are going to write, you have to first define what is echo command, then what is the syntax of echo and what is example of that. If you write like this, no one can reduce the marks, but many of you have having a habit of writing, okay, echo is this, just fill it with the text only, no example, no syntax, hence your marks will be reduced. You can score very good marks, especially in the programming subject. Every programming subject it required your definition, syntax, example. If it is there, no one can reduce the marks. So, let us discuss with all the basic commands from here. It is very important, if you do practice hands on session, it will be useful for you in the future also, and even if you practice along with me, it will be easy to remember. Otherwise, if you do not bring the laptop during the class time, then what will happen? You will write in the notebook, it will be in the notebook only, you will not practice. Next class, when we are running the command, we require basic command, you will be asking your friends. So, that is what I am telling everyone, please bring laptop every day, laptop should be there with you. So, let us proceed with now. So, just now we used echo. What is the echo? What we have done with the echo is previous class? Printing, right, anything. Then next if you see that we have something, it is not printf, it is print, it will be there. Okay. So, what is the use of printf? Whatever you give within the course it will print except escape sequence character, right. So, now echo command, so see the definition you have to form, that is why I am telling, please refer textbook for the definition purpose, writing theoretically in details. Here just overview it is there, how, so you can understand. This command is used in shell, okay, shell script to display diagnostic message on the terminal. You can reframe also, whatever we type into the shell command, it will be display the same. That also can be definition, anything you can form. So, that is what the command used in shell script to display diagnostic message on the terminal. It is clearly mentioned that your display will be there on the terminal, result will be on the terminal itself. Such command is called as echo. How to use it? To use this, you can display a message or you can evaluate in shell variable. So, either you can directly give or either you can define any variables and then you can print that variable value, both way you can do that. So, the basic job of echo command is to display the string which is you are going to pass as an argument. So, what is the basic operation? Nothing, it is just used for displaying purpose, nothing more than that echo will perform. So, echo argument. So, whatever argument you give, it will display as it is. That is the use of echo. Example, we have echo hello everyone, you type echo hello and see what result you are going to get. Did you type echo hello? What result you are getting? Hello you are getting? Right, echo space your name. Anything, whatever you want after echo, you can give any argument. Type here, echo hello, echo your name. No need to give dollar because dollar will be there. Can be used to evaluate a variable. As I said, you can use to evaluate any variable which will be given as an argument, right. How it will work? So, first we have to create a variable. How to create a variable? You have to type any variable name is equal to some number, give it, type everyone. Done? Have you written the variable name x is equal to 5, anything, whatever you want, any variable a is equal to something, you can write anything, no problem. Now, I want to print the value of 5. How to print? How to print? X is equal to command not found. Which OS you are using? Let me check. Okay. So, to print the statement, we have to give echo the variable name, but it should be with dollar. Let me check it out, why it is not working. Oh, don't discuss guys, anything please discuss with me. Okay. So, as I said, you have to write echo, you can write anything. I will write my name, hit enter, it will, what happened? Echo, what happened? So, that is why you have to see that it is matter, right. So, I am printing the variable, clear, as per the second, that clear guys. So, even you can evaluate any variable using echo. So, for that, like how you used to give in printf in C programming %d to get the value, here because it was variable it is stored. I want that result. So, for that you have to give dollar symbol, right, and followed with the variable name what you have defined. Clear so far? Any question? Okay. So, the output of echo command can be used to create even new file. We can use to create, how to create new file? How to create new file? Okay, dir. Dir is for directory. I am asking about file. Vi. gedit. Any other? There is one more command called nano. That also you can use. Vi. What is the disadvantage of Vi? Suppose you are typing something and accidentally you have closed your screen, right, terminal. Next time when you try to open that file, it will be corrupted. You have to recover that file and then you have to work. That is the one disadvantage using Vi. Nano, you will be having option, you can see that you can use for saving. There is an option I will show you now. That is the one better way, and I especially use nano instead of gedit. Which one? Vi. Vi will not, that is what I am telling, Vi will not save. So, it is the problem with the Vi. Nano is better, everyone will be using nano. So, how can create a file with echo command? You can use, you have to give echo followed with the any sentence whatever you want to display the message. I am giving hello world greater than symbol and then you give any file name and hit enter. The moment you hit enter, what will happen? File will be created. And then I want to see that what are the information in that file, then for that you have to use cat command, right. So, if you give cat command, it will give you the result. Let us practice this one now. Okay. So, what I have to do? What is the command? Command is very simple. I have to type echo, okay. Then I have to give anything, whatever you want to print. As I said, happy morning and the greater than symbol, right, and then you have to use any file name, whatever you want, right. What I have to give file? I will give test, enter. What happened? That means command is executed successfully, right. Now, if I see that ls command here, what will happen? Do we have that file name called test here? See here, is there? It was not showing because I have to scroll on the right hand side. Okay. I will clear this screen as of now. Okay. Now, even though, so how to check what is the content inside the particular file? So, I have to use cat command space, what is the file name? I gave test, give enter, that is all, right. Even though if you want the file name to be created, I will give sample.txt, right. This is my txt file. Now, I want to check this file, again cat, sorry, and if suppose your command get stuck, just something like now how it was coming, how to exit, you have to press Control C. Clear? You have to press Control C. So, I will type cat, my file name is sample.txt, even it will give the same information. Clear? Try now. If you are facing any difficulties, if you have any question, please ask me now. Why? What is not working? Now we can't, so we come during break over to the staff room. Wait, aram se, at least write, note down the command. That's all. Also not installed, right? Why? Hello, madam, हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. At least write. If you are not able to, your system is not ready, then you install. Done? Everyone done? Completed? Any question? So, that is what in an examination, if they asking like more than 2 marks, 3 marks, then you have to explain accordingly, give that with the different result. So, it will, no one can reduce the marks for that. Okay, clear? We have done so far. Next, echo will interprets certain string which are nothing escape sequence. What are the escape sequence character we have? What are the escape sequence character we have? Not well? Done? So, what are the escape sequence we have? You have already studied in C, C++, data structure, same thing it will be here also. So, you know very well, it will start from forward slash, right? Forward slash or backward slash? Forward slash, backward slash. This is backward or this is backward? What slash is written here? This is forward or backward? Huh? How many of you say backward? How many of you say forward? Let me see. Huh? This is backward? Still doubts are there, right? See how many days we are using the laptop, but it is forward backslash. Forward, right? Backward. No one is answering. Which slash it is? It is forward slash or backward slash?
Backward slash.
Backward slash? Sure? Okay. See, that's what I want to check. So many days you are using, we know only slash to use. Okay, you have to give this slash. We will say this slash. When you go in technically in interview and all, if this question comes, see now only you are having so much confusion. And I am confusing that no, it is forward. So, you will also get change, you will say the wrong answer, that is all. So, what you are saying, be correct on that, yes, this is the correct, yes, I am telling correct. Otherwise, in interview time, your confidence should not get divided, right. You should stick on what you are saying, right. If you do not know answer, you say directly do not know, points will be there on that, but if you tell wrong, then it is negative. Okay. So, you are going to use backslash, right, for the escape sequence, and you have so many, you can use like this also, echo enter file name slash C. So, is it any effect of escape sequence will happen in the program? Any effect is there? No, right? Have you used any escape sequence character in program? Backslash n. What will happen? It will go to new line, that is all, but your other things will not change, right. Backslash a, have you used in C programming? A? No. What is for A? A for apple. Okay. So, A for it will be a small bell is there, bell will ring. Okay. So, once you give like this prompt, enter like echo enter file name :/c. So, it will place the cursor and prompt the same line like this, what is result is displayed here. Okay. And there are escape sequence which is used by echo and printf, those are like /a, /t, already you have used /b, /n, /c, /r, /t, /v, /, that is the backlash. So, these are the escape sequence that you can use if you want, if it is required. If you want to give any formatting style, then you can use this, right. So, that purpose only we will be using. So, I think, so have you tried this command echo enter file name : backwards /c, have you given? Okay. Cursor, where is the cursor?